Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The European Union, EU, is looking to strengthen collaboration with Jamaica. It says it's exploring more investment options, especially relating to resilience and digital transformation. Felix Fernandez Shaw is Director in charge of Latin America and the Caribbean Relations at the European Union's Directorate General for International Partnerships. Speaking at a media breakfast Thursday morning, he says the EU and its member countries are looking at the investment opportunities in Jamaica and the region.
And how to support companies that want to invest, but also support the government of Jamaica and the society of Jamaica in attracting those investments in key areas.
Those main areas include climate-smart investments.
It's about supporting the Jamaican government, for example, in their bid to go have a strong renewable energy mix in the coming years. I think it's 50% for 2030, which is a big jump, and therefore that requires investment and technology. And we would like to bring that. We would like to support European companies that come and produce and distribute renewable energy here in Jamaica.
Mr. Fernandez Shaw says discussions are ongoing with potential investors and the government.
So we are preparing some files also with the European Investment Bank and with other member states, with the French, with the Germans, with the Spanish. We are preparing some possibilities for European companies to invest more in those frontier transition technologies here in Jamaica.
The EU is also looking to help Jamaica with enhancing digital transformation. The Kingston Harbour is also earmarked for support.
How to make it more sustainable, how to work also on the rehabilitation and the drainage of a number of areas, and with a number also of European and Jamaican companies, how to invest in the harbour to make it a logistical hub, which is what Jamaica is asking for.
Let's head to the foreign currency market now. After a flash sale by the Bank of Jamaica, banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $156.41. The Canadian dollar is going for $120.93. The pound is selling for $198.43, while the euro is trading for $172.87. And to the stock market, the JSE index gained 1,119 points today, while the junior market index increased by 76 points. Among the 50 winners were Knutsford Express Services, Epley 7.25% preference shares, Berger Paints Jamaica, Cargo Handlers and General Accident Insurance Company. The 31 losers included JMB Group 5.75% US dollar shares, Cygnus Credit Investments 10.5% Jamaican dollar shares, Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, Palace Amusement and JMB Group 7.25% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares. Now 16 stocks closed the session at the same price they started trading this morning. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.